So guys, these are the lip gloss. Okay, I made 2 clear color and I also made 2 pink color, as you can see. Yeah guys, the texture is so nice and it has a very nice smell.
Wake up every morning, go on my knees, and I thank God for his blessings up on me, my families. This is my belief and this is my dream. I just wanna pull up in the limbo, I'm a G's, yeah. Me, I don't wanna die on. I just wanna live my life in peace and not in pieces, not in disease, yeah.
I'm going to be showing you guys quickly on how I prepared my lip gloss. Okay guys, so actually the lip gloss I use, most of them I prepare it myself. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you guys on how I prepare my lip gloss. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be needing is our lip gloss base. Okay, this is lip gloss base. This is DIY lip gloss base. Okay guys, I ordered this on Amazon, and this one is our color that we're going to be using. This is our pigment powder. Okay, this is pink pigment powder. Okay, and as well, this is our olive oil lip gloss DIY olive oil. Okay, this is not just the normal olive oil that we use. Okay, DIY lip gloss olive oil, as you can see. And this is our flavor. Okay, this is our essence flavor. This is DIY lip flavor. Okay, we are going to be adding this as well. This is going to like give it a good smell. Okay guys, and yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to add my lip gloss into the container. Okay, these are the containers I'm going to be using. As you can see, I've washed everything. Okay guys, you need to wash everything before using them. Okay, now I'm going to add the base. Okay,
okay now, Mr. Japan, please. Hot,
Bring it on, baby. It's Bias Bits.
so now I'm going to be adding my olive oil. Okay guys, just a little bit of my olive oil. Just a little drop like this. Okay, and now I'm going to be adding my flavor like this. We don't need much flavor guys. Okay, so now I'm going to stir everything together. So guys, I'm going to be adding a little bit of my olive oil because the texture is a bit too thick. Guys, this is it. This is after stirring everything together. As you can see, it's really thick because I love it when it's thick. Okay, I don't really like light lip gloss. So right now what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be using this to take the so right now I'm just going to add it into my container like this. So guys, so now I'm just going to cover this. Okay,
body better than. For me, got all of my guys, them and I do my thing on the low. I said do your thing on the low too. I make you know carry body there up, oh, make you go down, make you pray to your God, cause you go be sumo me.
So guys, now I'm still going to add my base because I'm going to be making the other one with pink color. So I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm going to add a little bit of my olive oil, a little bit of my flavor, just a little drop like that. So I'm going to stir. So right now I'm going to be adding a little bit of my pink color, just a little bit, okay? I don't want it to be too much. So I'm going to stir everything together, guys. So guys, this is how it look like. The color is so beautiful, as you can see. So I'm just going to repeat the same step, okay?
Yeah. Wake up every morning, go on my knees, and I thank God for His blessings up on me, my families. This is my belief and this is my dream. I just wanna pull up in the limbo, I'm a G's. Yeah. Me, I don't wanna die on. I just wanna live my life in peace, and not in pieces, not in disease, yeah. And I let them know, say, I'm from the ghetto where I come from, me, oh, I dey do things on a low, oh. And I dey pray to my God, oh, for His blessings on me every night, oh. This mommy.
So guys, these are the lip gloss, okay? I made 2 clear color and I also made 2 pink color, as you can see. Yeah guys, the texture is so nice and it has a very nice smell. As this is basically it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys find this video helpful and useful. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't before. See you guys on my next one. Until then, make sure to stay beautiful, stay safe and stay peaceful. Bye bye.